If you are an UPSC aspirant, do not miss this video out. I am going to tell you top 5 news from the Indian Express newspaper of 12th May. So come, let's have a look. The first news is second day Prime Minister makes austerity push, invokes COVID era habits. Now Prime Minister Modi has urged to return to COVID era austerity, including remote work, online classes and reduced consumption of gold and fuel to combat soaring gold imports and dipping foreign exchange reserves. Now this becomes highly important for GS paper 3 Indian economy, GS paper 2 governance and polity. Moving forward to the second news, we have before Bihar Beach collapsed, multiple inspections, several red flags, all ignored. The Vikramshila Setu in Bihar partially collapsed despite multiple internal warnings and inspections since 2024. Negligence and failure to act on red flags regarding structural integrity led to this disaster. This becomes highly important for GS paper 2, governance and accountability, and GS paper 3, disaster management and infrastructure. Moving forward to the third news, we have amid Gulf conflict, Prime Minister on a 5-nation trip from 15 May. So Prime Minister Modi is going to visit UAE, attend Nordic Summit and economy and energy top agenda. It's the top agenda because of what all is happening in West Asia and how India is getting impacted. This becomes highly important for international relations perspective as well as economy and energy perspective. Going forward to the fourth news, we have why saving forests could hamper India's growth. So the article critiques Prime Minister Modi's austerity push, arguing that while cutting imports, gold fuel saves forests, it risks stalling the growth, and true stability requires boosting domestic production and productivity rather than just suppressing the demand. This becomes highly important for GS paper 3 Indian economy and GS paper 2 governance also. Moving forward to the last news, we have from western disturbances to El Nino, brief guide to climate terms this summer. Now the guide explains critical climate phenomena affecting India's summer, which is western disturbance and El Nino's impact on monsoons and the lethal combination of high humidity and heat measured via wet bulb temperature WBT. This becomes highly important for GS paper 1 geography, climatology, and GS paper 3 environment and disaster management. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.